I don't even have a compact powder. Okay, this is my makeup collection. Just this. Hey guys, it's me Shahnaz and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you have already seen, why I say like this always. So in today's video, I am going to share my makeup collection, which is basically the smallest makeup collection that you have ever seen on YouTube, I guess. I always wanted to do a makeup collection video, but my makeup collection is very small, so it was kind of embarrassing for me, but then I was like, let's be real. So this is my makeup collection. This is all the makeup that I have. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. I have this loose powder. Oh, by the way, there are few items, like few things of makeup which I don't even have, so please excuse that. Anyways, so this is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is the only loose powder that I have, and honestly I'm about to finish it. I don't even have a compact powder. Next up, I have this only contour palette. This is the Maybelline Master Contour Palette. Next is a mascara, the only mascara. This is the Wet n Wild mascara. This is the Max Volume mascara, the purple color one. And guess what? This is also on the verge of finishing, so God save me. Next up is a concealer which I use as a contour. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer. This is in the shade Dark Cocoa, so I used this as the contour. I wanted a cream contour, but cream contour sticks are so costly, so I got this one. Next, highlighters. So yeah, this is the only highlighter that I have, including the one that's in the palette. This is the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter, and by God's grace, this is not gonna finish anytime soon. It's gonna last me forever. So yeah, this is a very good highlighter. I absolutely love it. Next, primers. So for primer, I have two primers. Yeah, these are the two primers that I have. One is the Lakme Blur Perfecting Primer. This is for my oily skin days, and this is for my dry skin days. This is the Wet n Wild Dewy Luminix Primer. Next, I also have a color corrector. Earlier, I used to use orange lipsticks, but finally I got a color corrector. This is the Elegant Pro Conceal HD High Definition. We all know this one, so yeah. Next, eyeliner. So again, I'm a big time eyeliner girl. I cannot step out of the house without doing my brows and eyeliner. Like, I can even go without the brows, but eyeliner, never. But I have only one eyeliner. So this is the Lakme eyeliner. It's very affordable, like for $100. Let's come to foundation, because I have a few of them. Oh yeah, I will not be embarrassed. So I have like, oops, these many foundations. Let's see one by one. By the way, all the foundations are, all four of these are not my skin tone, and the only foundation which is of my perfect match is this one. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. This is in the shade 107 Fresh Beige. Okay, I've shown you guys the Fit Me one. This is in the shade 310 Sun Beige, but since this is not my shade, so yeah. Next is the LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation. This is a very good foundation. Again, the wrong shade. It's too yellow. Golden beige, in the shade golden beige. Okay, and then I have a very pink undertone one, which is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is in the shade amber beige. I probably should have got desert beige, but I got the amber beige. I don't know why. And this is very pink undertone, so I mix this and this. This is very yellow, this is very pink. I mix both of them and I get my shade. Last one is the most costlier one. It's 1200 rupees foundation, guys. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. Again, wrong shade. 2020 Sable Sand, not my shade. I should have got 250 golden honey or something. Now, coming to concealers, again, I will not be embarrassed. I have 4 of them. 2 from the Swiss Beauty collection, very affordable. One from the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, again very affordable, and this one is the Instant Age Rewinder. This one is again very light for my skin tone. I have done a review video on this one, So I use this on my eyelids for eyeshadow, as eyeshadow primers. Okay, for setting sprays, these are the two I have. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish one. This is the dewy version, I guess, not the mattifying one. And this is the Blue Heaven Makeup Fixer. This is very dirty. I hardly use this one, but this one is a good one. I really love this. Even my mom loves this. So yeah, let's talk about some eye pencils. I have two white eye pencils which I have hardly used. Anyways, and this is the Blue Heaven, LA Teen Black Eye Drama Kajal. So yeah, these are the three kajals that I have right now. Coming to palettes, I have a blush. Finally, I got a blush. And this is the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine. Again, by God's grace, this is not gonna finish anytime soon. It's very pigmented, plus it's the favorite blush. I don't like wearing blushes, but when I got this one, I'm obsessed. Next, I have this random palette from LA Colors. This is the 3D blush contour, and I have kept this palette only for this shade. They say that it's a highlighting shade, but it doesn't have any shimmer particle in it. It is just a white eyeshadow, so I use it whenever I need a white eyeshadow. Next, eyeshadow palettes. Okay, one is this one. This is the Ultimate palette. It has all the shades, like from neutral tones to colorful and warm tones. I know browns. These are browns. These are warm and neutrals. These are colorful. Okay. So yeah, this is the Beauty Glazed 63 color eyeshadow tray. Gorgeous Me eyeshadow tray. This is the Makeup Revolution palette. This palette originally priced at 1000 rupees, but I got it for 300 rupees from Flipkart during sale. And this is a genuine palette, okay, not a fake one. So yeah. And next one is the first eyeshadow palette of my life. Actually, I have another one, but yeah, this is ये टूट गया है इसका ढक्कन. But yeah, this is the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. अभी ये डिब्बा खाली होने वाला है. Let me talk about eyebrow product. This is the eyebrow pencil that I have, the Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. It's a very nice eyebrow pencil. You can see it has a pulley and a retractable pencil on this side. And next up is this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. I still have this one. You can see how small it is, but it's been like 2 years or 3 years maybe that I've been using this one. Another mini eyeshadow thing I have. This is from Wet n Wild. So yeah, this is a very mini single color eyeshadow. Okay, now the last thing, lipstick. So I have a pouch full of lipstick. By the way, all the lipsticks here are like under 200 rupees, okay? Nothing more than that. So yeah, this is the Darling Isabel lipstick, which I got from purple.com. Next is the Darling Isabel, another Darling Isabel. I have two lipsticks from Darling Isabel. One is in the shade, this is in the shade Marvelous Merlot Royalty. Another one is in the shade Naughty Nude Royalty. Okay. The next I have two Matte Me lipsticks. One is from In Color Matte Me, and this is in the shade 429. And the next is the ADS Pro Matte Me. Same packaging, both of them. ADS one is in the shade Rose Blossom 409. This is the only red lipstick that I have. This is from again In Color Matte Me, and this is in the shade 402. Let me swatch this one for you guys because I love it. Look at this blood red color, very nice. Next, the last two liquid lipsticks. One is from NY Bae. This is the in the shade Retro Nights. Let me show it to you guys. Look at this. It's like a pinkish brownish kind of a shade. Very nice. I really love the shade. Next one is a random lipstick from a brand called Mars, and this is in the shade 30. Okay, next up we have some bullet lipsticks. Okay, so the first one is a lip balm. This is from the Alia Loves New York Baby Lips collection. This was a limited edition collection, and the shade is red wine. It's a very nice shade. Let me swatch it. Look at this. It's a nice red shade, plus it's a lip balm, so it's kind of glossy. So yeah, I love this one, and it really moisturizes the lips, guys. I absolutely love how it moisturizes my lips. Next one is another bullet lipstick from NY Bay, another nude shade. I love nudes. This is in the shade Peppy Pearson. I got this one on Anindita Chakravarti's recommendation. So yeah, you'll often find me wearing this shade on most of my Instagram videos. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then you should, because I create a lot of content there and I upload videos on a regular basis. So yeah. Next one is a crayon lipstick. This is the LA18 Go Matte crayons. This is in the shade 08 Hyper Brown, another nude shade. Not gonna swatch it. Okay, so yeah, Hyper Brown. This is the Maybelline Nude Nuance. We all know about this lipstick, and you can see I am almost over with this lipstick. Last but not the least is the NY Bay Runway Bullet Lipstick infused with argan oil. This is in the shade Trends 4. Another, it is a very very nudish kind of a shade. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. This was my huge ass makeup collection. Okay, I had to tie my hair up because I was melting. Okay, so I just want to portray through this video that we all start from zero, and I am running an Instagram page where I upload makeup videos every single day with this collection only. I don't need a huge ass collection, a room full of makeup to run an Instagram page. You know, this is enough for me. And yeah, that's it. I think people hardly show from where they have started, or how they have started, or with how much they have started, but they always show the end results more. Like, yeah, so I think we should also show the beginning of our journey. If you guys like this video, then make sure you give it a big thumbs up. बहुत ज्ञान पे लिया मैंने. And yeah, comment down below because you guys don't comment. And also, we are a family of 500 subscribers. I am so happy. I know it sounds silly, but yeah, I'm very happy. I really want to hit 1,000 subscribers this year, so please guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. This spray one is right there. I don't want to get up and get it right now, but yeah, it is the Wet n Wild. Let me get it. I'm so lazy. I think I have lipstick on my teeth. This is the only contour slash highlight slash blush palette that I have.